Online marketing is a great tool to grow your local business. With so many advertising options, many companies overlook the power of online marketing. 97% of consumers search for local businesses online. With the right plan, your local business can easily leverage this power and quickly gain more customers. Today's expert is here with some simple strategies on increasing your local business through online marketing.
Right. So being that I'm in the affiliate marketing niche, I get asked all the time by a lot of aspiring affiliate marketers, how do you find a good affiliate product to promote with online marketing strategies? So I have 3 tips for finding a good affiliate marketing product to promote online. You see, the problem is that most of us, myself included, when we first get started in affiliate marketing, we watch a couple of YouTube videos, learn the basics of affiliate marketing. And the first most of us learn is to go over to ClickBank, create an account, then go to the marketplace, find a product with high gravity, create a sales link, then go to our social media sites and spam the heck out of that link all over the place. And I can tell you from experience that this will get you absolutely no sales. The only thing you'll get is banned from all of your social sites. Then more than likely you'll leave affiliate marketing with a very bad taste in your mouth. Upset and bewildered. Why is this affiliate marketing thing not working for me? Thinking to yourself, I knew it was a scam. Well, let me assure you, affiliate marketing is real. It is not a scam. It does work, and if you ask me, it's the best online business to jump in and have success right off the bat. Because you don't have to have your own product. You can sell someone else's product and make a lot of money off commissions and not have to worry about the headaches that come along with creating your own product, like getting your own merchant accounts to accept payments and dealing with refunds, dealing with returns, dealing with angry customers, and the list goes on. There's so much stuff that you'll have to deal with if you create and bring your own product to market. So how does an aspiring affiliate marketing leverage the power of online marketing? So we like to give a few specific insider tips to this question. Tip number 1, make sure that the product you pick is a high converting product. Make sure that people are selling this product with success. I mentioned gravity earlier. Gravity is another way of showing us how many people are selling this product and having success at doing so at the time. The higher the gravity usually means the hotter the product, which means more than likely the product is converting well and people are buying this product frequently. Tip number 2, make sure the product you pick is in demand and people are searching for your product. Say for instance, you settle on a product to show others how to make money from home or to make money online. This is a great niche to be in at the current time. You can look at our lockdowns and restrictions right now throughout the world. Everybody and their mama is trying to stay home and make money, trying to perfect the side hustle so that they can have, make a lot of money and don't have to leave the house. And there are so many different side hustles and make money online opportunities right now that it'll make your head spin. And affiliate marketing tops them all. That's why I chose the affiliate marketing route. Tip number 3, make sure it's a high ticket item or product that you choose to promote. Because why waste your time promoting products that you're only going to make 10, 20, 30 bucks promoting? That's just not smart. Promote a high ticket item, an item that can make you $500, $1,000, or $1,500 in one purchase. Do not waste your time and energy promoting these tiny ticket items. You know how many of these items you'll have to sell to make $10,000 a month? It's ridiculous. When the stats show it's just as easy to sell 1,000 product online as it is to sell a product that only sells for 30 bucks. Now tell me, which one would you rather promote? Of course it's going to be the $1,000 high ticket item. So why not hustle and sell 10 or 15 high ticket items per month and live the laptop lifestyle for real? You see, our expertise is online marketing, but specifically, we help aspiring affiliate marketers grow their business by leveraging multiple digital marketing strategies. And for those who want to learn more, they can go to www.blackmuscleandhustle.com, where they can learn how to get more customers, leads, and appointments into their business. Look, we're here to help because the market has shifted, and it's important, for beginners and pros alike to stay ahead of their competition. That's our focus, helping one person at a time grow their business.
Isn't it fascinating how fast the right online marketing strategy can drive customers your way? It really can take your local business to new success almost overnight. And now you have the tools. Now you've heard some great ideas. Are you ready to take the next step? Call our featured expert at the number on your screen to get started. Until next time.